In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use accordion blocks in Squarespace, a valuable feature for organizing content on your website. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open the Squarespace website. This is where we'll design and arrange our accordion blocks to create a more dynamic look on your page. Once you've reached the Squarespace homepage, the next step is to navigate to your specific page where you'd like to add this interactive component. Once you're there, look for the Edit button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This action takes you into the editing mode, where you'll be able to add, arrange, and modify various elements on your page. Now, look for the option to Add Block. Click on it, and a menu will appear, showcasing a variety of blocks that you can add to your site. These blocks serve different purposes, from text and images to forms and custom code. In this instance, we're focusing on the accordion block, so go ahead and select Accordion from the list. Now, you'll need to double-click this block to enter the Settings and Customization panel. This opens up the Content tab, where we can begin populating our accordion with items. By default, you might see a few sample entries that you can modify. Click on each entry to change the title and the content within them, making it fit your needs. As you work through your items, you might realize that you want them in a different order. Don't worry. Squarespace makes it incredibly easy to rearrange these items. Simply drag and drop them into your preferred arrangement. This feature is especially useful if you're trying to organize a lot of information in a way that's aesthetically pleasing and easy to navigate. Switching your attention to the Design tab allows you to modify the appearance of your accordion block to align with your site's theme. Here, you can change the overall design, playing with options that influence how your content is displayed. Whether it's the title's font size and weight, or the thickness and dimensions of the icons, these tools enable you to craft a block that enhances your site's visual appeal. Experiment with different settings to see what works best for your project. Your accordion block doesn't have to be static. Feel free to explore other features within Squarespace to see what other enhancements could benefit your web page. With your blocks nicely laid out and customized to your liking, you now know how to effectively use accordion blocks in Squarespace. This knowledge can help you create engaging, organized content for your audience. That's it for today, so go ahead and use these tips to enhance your Squarespace website experience.